Question 17 and 18. All right. Add to the picture below to depict that ray NQ bisects angle MNP. All right. So if I want to show that it's being bisected, right? NQ is bisecting angle MNP, then I would need to show that those two angles are in fact congruent to each other. So I'm going to use those tick marks right there, or the arc marks, to show that they're congruent. Next, answer problem 17 and 18. Given that angle QNP is 9x, so I can write in a 9x right there, right? And also that angle QNM is 7x plus 18. Ooh. Now I can make an equation with that. I can make them equal because I know they're equal, because that's what an angle bisector does, right? That's why I drew the red arc marks. So we can now say that those two angles, 7x plus 18, must equal the 9x equation. And then we solve that thing. So we're going to take away the 7x from both sides. And this gives us 18 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. And we get 9 is equal to x. Now we can take this answer and we can plug it into our equation right up here, right? So we can say, okay, so angle QNP, right? That's not the way to write it. Sorry, angle QNP has a measurement that's equal to 9x. But since we know what 9x is, we can just erase the x, or not what 9x is, but we know what the x is, and we can substitute the 9 here into the problem. So this tells us that angle QNP has a measurement of 81. So I know that this is now 81, right? Because equals 9 times 9 is 81. But then 7x plus 18 must also equal 81 because they're congruent. Angle MNQ, this angle right here, is 81. Yay. And then angle MNP, ooh, this is a tricky question. Angle MNP is the whole thing. Right, so we want to be really careful. So since we already know that the left side is 81 and the right side is 81, we just have to add those two guys together, right? 81 plus the 81, and that gives us 162 for angle 18.